Alright folks, can you see this? This is Adam, you're watching 911 Reviews, and today we're going to look at these fine, fancy solar lights. We're going to give them a review, so stick around. We got some movie clips and some fun stuff coming right up. But first, can you identify this classic movie?
Can you imagine if we had these when we were 12?
Even better, we got them when we're 40.
You know what's amazing? They're not that noticeable on your face.
Right?
Yeah.
Ah!
So here's some actual footage and pictures of the products in use outside at night. And I have to admit, it's kind of hard to get my little iPhone to do great video at night. So these things have to have a good bit of brightness for the camera to even pick them up. And these really do have a very nice glow to them. They're perfect. This 4-pack will illuminate the outside of my entryway. I'll probably go out and either buy 4 more or 8 more to get the entire walkway and path up to the house illuminated. So they're advertised as weatherproof and rustproof. They're second generation, 15 lumens, really high quality. There's an on-off switch under the canopy. From a technical standpoint, it would appear that these are run off of a rechargeable AA battery that's replaceable. So you don't have to worry about the battery dying and having to throw out the entire unit. You can replace it economically and keep these for years. Alright folks, this is 15 watts, easy to install, upgraded lights, rechargeable. It's really pretty phenomenal. You can see them glowing right there. Go ahead and pick one up. We'll put a link in the description below. I absolutely really like these, but I think my wife has sold more. This is actually something that would make a very good, maybe kind of a gift. Something that, you know, people who like gardening, this is a good gift for them. You can never have too much illumination and lighting in your yard. It looks classy, it looks nice. We'll put a link in the description below. Make sure to click that subscribe button, 911reviews.com. You'll see me here every single week with new products, new stuff that hasn't been on the market very long that you're going to want to check out. Click that subscribe button. I'm Adam, and we are out of here.
And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.